This is bye call.
Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm playing this game again, but now I'm not Spider-Man versus like Venom or something. I'm Batman. No, the Joker beat me. That was a horrible impression of the Joker from Suicide Squad. Check out that movie if you're old enough. It's cool. Oh damn! Woo! Batman did. Oh damn it. Okay, now that I'll stop that. If I win this, I will beat the Joker for all. Oh! Wait, how is the video already 1 minute long? Don't feel like that. I don't know, let's click first player. Keep going. Wait, who's that? Who's that? Wait, who are you? Ben? Wait, Ben? Who's Ben? Who's Ben? Oh my god, who the hell is that? Are you actually good in real life? No. Wait, what? Wait, is that true? Yes. Oh my god, wait, Ben? Wait, what happened? The screen went, wow, what the hell? What the hell is this? Wait, I'm Ben from Talking in Tom and Friends. From Tom and Friends? Oh, damn. Oh, no. And Angela now. Oh my God. Wait, I thought Ben was a good guy. Oh my God, he's laughing. Oh no. This map, what is this map? Has never been. Wait, is this what I think it is? This is Spider-Man. What the hell? What's this video I found on YouTube?
Man? Yes? No.
It's